Well, it's the beginning of a new year, and as we all kick off some healthy habits, lifestyle expert Christine Lusita is here to share how we can all stay dry in LA. And we're talking about dry January, so not drinking for the whole month. Well, not drinking alcoholic beverages, that is.
Exactly.
You found a local spot, Christine, that we must check out. So good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Happy New Year.
I'm great. Happy New Year.
I know. All right, so we are talking all things and hot spots in Los Angeles, and the Meyers Manx Cafe just opened in the Peterson Museum, and it's that cool car, like that original dune buggy made famous in the 60s by Elvis and Steve McQueen, and you know, you've seen it in so many movies like The Thomas Crown Affair. And
so it's inspired after this car, the
exactly,
restaurant.
And it's the quintessential car of California, and so it's about to be relaunched as an all-electric vehicle. So again, this cafe is inspired by this iconic car.
Does it look like this?
Yes, exactly. How cute is that?
We're seeing the inside here. That is so cute.
Oh, yes, exactly. It's adorable. All right, so first of all, these are from their zero-proof cocktail bar. Okay, we are trying. You've got to try this. They are so good. First of all, they brought in a world-renowned mixologist and chef to create these wonderful recipes.
And they're all mocktails.
These are all mocktails, so we're not drinking.
Okay, I just want to make that clear.
And let's also tell everyone, this is really the only place that you can drink and drive safely in LA because
oh my gosh,
isn't that so delicious?
It's so refreshing. What's in here?
This is okay. So this has got strawberry, it's got lime, super orange juice, sherbet, just to name a few. They've got 8 unique cocktails that will range anywhere from smoky to fruit. So they really have something for everyone. They also have a zero waste bar. So they've got a full bar program beyond January, but they have a lot of amazing things so you can feel good about eating healthy joys. Yeah.
All of these?
Yes, please try this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is their green. No, actually, that is the Sidewinder. It's got passion fruit. Look, anyone who's got passion fruit in my book is a winner, and it combines a little bit of.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's the sweet and sour profile. Do you like it?
I love it.
Okay, and then let's try the green flag. Okay, this is that smoky, cool profile.
Can I come back to that later, though? Because that was really good.
Yeah, so this right here has a little bit of cucumber juice and lime, cilantro syrup, right? It's the perfect thing. And so now we're going to move on to some of their delicious California-inspired cuisine over here. Okay, so yeah, so first of all, yes, this is some burgers. This is their famous burrito. Also, I want to mention they've got a coffee bar just in case someone doesn't want a mocktail, and a full bar opening after January. After January when it's not dry anymore. And okay, so they've got burgers, they got fries. So basically all of their food is, again, California chic inspired. It's family friendly. They're health conscious, so you can enjoy breakfast. You can see some amazing, amazing cars all at the Peterson Museum. It's not raining today, but it's been raining here a lot, so it's a great way for all of us to just stay dry. Plus,
you know, here in LA, we have so many incredible places to visit, and so it's so cool that you go in the museum, actually, and you have such an incredible restaurant with such quality food, so you're not just getting the museum, but you're really getting a slice of history and culture with this food.
Exactly. You've got to go in there and try
I know which one.
Okay, so this is their honeycomb toast. Oh, it's so delicious.
This looks messy, and I actually am on TV. Are you sure I should taste this?
Let me try this one. This is mushroom. This is a little bit easier, and it's absolutely delicious. And they're right on Wilshire, right in Miracle Mile. So they're local. Isn't that incredible?
That is so good.
Yeah. So if you want to go enjoy again a fun date, take your kids, stay dry in more ways than one here.
I didn't realize I was so hungry until this very moment. Okay, at the Peterson Museum. Okay, so we have to check this out.
Meyers Manx Cafe. Come check it out. They're brand new. They just opened.
Did you bring this because we need to drink more water?
Yes, we all need to stay more hydrated. And this is a perfect time for dry January to really up our hydration. This is a great way to do it.
Okay, so can you please pass me the orange drink?
It's so good. It is my favorite as well. Here, we'll have a little cheers.
Okay, we're going to have to check it out.
Yes.
Cheers. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy
good
New
health.
Everyone. To good health. Yes, would you like to stick around for our pet of the day?
I would love to, because I'm actually getting a puppy this afternoon in a half hour.
Stop it right now.
A boxer.
Okay, right after this. Can you send us a picture later so we can
will.
put him on the show? All right, thanks, Christine.
Bye, thank you.